Good morning, guys. How are you doing? I'm in the process of changing the rear tire on the Goldwing, and we have to take it apart. So I have gone ahead and done some of that for you, and now I found it kind of a mess in here. So rather than just work on it nasty, I'm going to spray it down, clean it up a little bit, so I can access the bolts easier. So I need to remove the brake caliper. To get the axle out. So take a little time here. Let that dry a little bit. I don't think I'm going to jack the bike up at this time until I get all the bolts loose. Then I'll jack the bike up and lift the rear tire so I can go ahead and roll it out once I remove the calipers. So let's start. Okay, so we determined that that is actually a 27. I'm going to take this nut loose. Yeah, that's loose enough to get with my fingers. Now we'll come back over here. And we'll take this brake caliper loose. First, we'll go ahead and take this shock mount loose. And we'll take these brake calipers loose. This is a 12 here. And I got a 14 on the other one, I believe. Okay. It's coming loose. Oh. A little more. So we're going to get this brake caliper loose and then lay it to the side. And once we take the shocks, the bottom bolts loose on the shocks, we should be able to lift up the swing arm, but I'll have to put the bike on the stand. Currently it's not on the center stand. There we go. Put these over here. this on the center stand. There we go. Push them pistons back a little bit, and then our brake comes off. Alright. I need to get that bolt out of there a little farther. There. Okay, so that's a 12 instead of a 14. It's kind of odd. I put these progressive shocks on here. Took the air shocks off when I bought the bike. They were in bad shape and needed to be replaced. And the compressor wasn't working, so the best deal I found was to buy some progressive shocks, put a regular suspension on it, and that's worked pretty well. Let me switch gears here. Okay, we got that out. Okay, folks, it seems like because I put these progressive shocks on, everything has to be a different size. Have you ever noticed that? I've got to take those bag holders off and attach the take the shocks off because I can't get the swing arm to move without taking the shocks off, which is not the end of the world. It's just got to be done. Okay, we're going to loosen the other one. Okay, we'll just have to loosen this. I think we won't have to take it all out. Yeah. Maybe one more try. There we go. That's what holds the bags on. We'll set it over here. Out of the way. Okay. Okay, guys, what I finally had to do was take both the shocks off. And now we got to get the wheel up. So let's pick and see if the swing arm will go up. It'll be hard to do two things at once here. That was a hassle, wasn't it? So now we can get that axle out of there. Yeah. Rubber mallets. Probably need to try that. Alright, here we go. Yep. Now a lot of people put something. Now we're going to move over here. A lot of folks put something in this hole in the axle to have it come on through. But I think I'm going to try a different route. See what I've got here as far as the tools go. Punches. Bought that Rabiconda tire changer. I certainly want to be able to use it. Okay. Hey, look at there. Yay. Okay. There's the washer. We don't want to use that. Boy, it needs to be greased. Yep. And then the brake caliper holder. And then we'll clean those all up. And we'll get grease on it. Now we should just be able to pull this wheel away. I probably need something to hold that. How about that? Let's see how it works here. Yeah, there we go. And then we'll get this brake out of here. And we'll pull the wheel out. Of course. Another little something. And let's just have to let the air out of the tire. Yeah. Tool for the air. Tool for the Schrader valve. Where are you? Aha. Hiding. A lot of my tools hide, you know. I'm sure you understand. Can't see. Pull out the Schrader valve. Stem. I have to get where I can see what I'm doing. Maybe there. Glasses don't help either. let's see if that helps. Voila! Okay. So, old grease. We'll clean this all up. Check the bearings out. Make sure everything's working well. And then we'll get the tire changer out. We'll swap it out. Put it back together. We'll see you in a little while.